Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. For tonight's recipe, we are making oysters, okay? We're making some delicious garlic butter oysters. So let's get on to this video. Before I begin, if you're new here, be sure to subscribe, like this video for me if it was helpful, and let's jump right in. All right guys, to begin, I have 12 oysters here. First thing first, we have to shock them. Believe it or not, this is actually my first time trying this. So if you have any tip for me, put it down below, because I watched a couple of videos and they told me to start from this angle and then wiggle my knife a little and try to open it. But if you have any tip, like I said, just leave them down below for me. This is gonna be hard. Oh, I'm doing it. Okay. Whoa, I did it. Okay. Look how easy. Okay. And now you give this a little wiggle so it'll be easy to eat. Now I'm going to place it into this rack here so it can sit nice and flat. All right, we're going to continue opening them. As you can see, I'm using a table knife to open these. The first one was a little tricky. This one is a lot easier to open. So, oh my God. I'm so sorry, there's a little crab in here. This is crazy. Is that a little crab? I don't know what that is. It's a little crab. Okay, it's a little crab in there. Put that on the side. Just place this right here. I'm going to finish opening the rest of the oysters off camera, and then I'll come back on here and show you guys the finished look. All right guys, I finally got all of my oysters nice and ready. We're going to work on the garlic Cajun butter sauce. So I have some room temperature butter here. I'm going to use about 4 tablespoons of that. Just like this. And also we're going in with some fresh garlic. I went ahead and chopped these very finely. Add some garlicky flavor to that. In here I have my Cajun Crush seasoning, a little bit of lemon pepper, and some Old Bay, very lightly, okay? I'm going in with some fresh parsley, and also I want that lemony flavor. I'm adding a little bit of a lemon juice in there, okay? And now I'm going to give that a quick mix. Once I have everything nicely well combined, I am going to just add that on top of the oysters. Just a little spoonful like this. Okay, right on top. And yes, I am missing one oyster because I couldn't open it, so I had to get rid of it, okay? But like I said, leave some tips and tricks down below for me if you have any. Something like this. They're going to turn out so good once they're done. And we're baking this, of course, you can grill them. That's my oven. It's ready. It's currently preheating on 450. I'll leave everything down below for y'all, so be sure to check that out in the description box. Now I have the butter on. I'm going in with some Parmesan cheese on top. Not too much, okay? Just a little bit. Ooh, that's going to turn out so good, y'all. I'm telling you. Make some oysters for dinner. And I'm going in with some more fresh parsley. I don't know. Just gonna turn out so good once it's done cooking. Now we're going to bake these for about 8 to 10 minutes on 450 degrees. Oh my God, you guys, the oysters are done and it's looking delicious. Oh my goodness, it's smelling amazing. it's time for the taste test. You see how delicious these oysters turn out. Let's give them a try. Ooh, that looks saucy. Let's try it. Oh my God. My goodness. These are good. Absolutely. Wow. Let me tell you, these, fire. Fire, 10 out of 10. Absolutely. Like, go make this tonight, okay? Anywho, I hope you enjoy it. I'm about to enjoy this for sure. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up if it was helpful. Also, if you're new to my channel, be sure to take the time to subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next video. Be sure to watch the next video up here, okay? Bye, guys.